Gotta roll the windows up. You know how that go. Close the door and get ready to move up. So we gonna make sure we watch ourselves. So I never been to this one before. So let's make sure the windows is rolled up. Alright, we all good. This is drive forward. It's telling me to back up. Alright. So we all good. I try to do this more often. Get these done. The water coming out. Nice little soapy rinse or whatnot. Can't beat that. Gotta get the whole car. I just vacuumed the car out. Dry cleaning wipes. It's running you about $5 at Walmart. And these are really good for cleaning your console. Matter of fact, I got a little drip. I'll handle that. You know what I'm saying? Nice little clean little console. You know, keep everything nice and fresh. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you can get a lot of dust build up. You know, the car could start having a little dirty look to it. Wanna make sure you get it. I forgot to get a little spot right there. It's nice and spiffy clean. Spiffy is a word that I like to use. I know it's late, it's like 1 in the morning where I'm from. So let's look at this. Watch the nice relaxing car wash. Y'all tune in my videos. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like my video. Just wanted to show you guys a live, fresh car wash. And I'll show you guys the results. This is a nice one though. All the windows nice and clean. Get that nice, fresh, shiny look. This one cost me $6. I just got the standard one because I don't know what the weather's like for the next couple days. As a matter of fact, we could check. Well, see where I'm from and see the weather. If I don't, I have the weather app right here, so we can check. So Milwaukee, we're looking at 30. So all week except Monday, it's gonna rain. So that was the only bad thing. But for a few days, at least I have a clean car. So I like to keep the car nice and clean. You just never know. Let's see if I can hold that up for you through the glass. Spot free rinse. Nice little rinse. Not bad for $6. So now let's get the drying part done. Hopefully, let's see how clean. Hope it doesn't ruin in my car. 64 seconds. Let's do this slow motion here. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. That's clean. Nice. Thought that was a mirror. Looks like it's just a space. job done. So I'm gonna wrap out. Want you guys to tune in my videos. Please subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up if you like my video. Tune in. It's Furious Brian. You already know what it is. Peace.